fellow Jamaicans at home and across the diaspora, I greet you warmly. As we mark the 63rd anniversary of our independence, we pause to give thanks to Almighty God for His continued guidance, for the journey we have traveled, and for the resilience, creativity, and determination that define us as a people. On August 6, 1962, Jamaica took its rightful place among the sovereign nations of the world. That moment signified the end of colonial rule, but more importantly, it marked the beginning of a new journey, one in which we, the people of Jamaica, assumed full responsibility for shaping our destiny. Yet today, we must ask ourselves, what does it mean to be truly independent? Independence is more than a historic date or a change in political status. It is the daily work of building a nation that is strong, that is self-reliant, and united in purpose. It means owning our own development, economically, socially, culturally, and intellectually. It means standing tall in the world, not only proud of our heritage, but confident in our future. Over the past 6 decades, Jamaica has made a powerful impact on the global stage. From the dominance of our athletes to the genius of our musicians, scientists, educators, and innovators. Our vibrant culture, language, and cuisine have touched lives far beyond our shores. And our sons and daughters in the diaspora continue to raise Jamaica's flag high through service, leadership, and advocacy. This year's theme, Be Proud, Be Bold in the Black, Green, and Gold, calls on us to embrace the values symbolized by our flag, the strength of our people, the richness of our land, and the promise of hope. True independence also means economic strength, managing our resources wisely, reducing reliance on foreign debt, and creating opportunities for all. It means investing in an education system that nurtures critical thinking, innovation, and national pride. It means fostering social unity, protecting human dignity, and ensuring equal access to justice, healthcare, and opportunity. As we celebrate, let us not forget those who still wait to feel the full promise of independence. Those who seek inclusion, protection, and a fair chance at a better life. Let us go forward together with courage and conviction, and with care. Let us continue to build a Jamaica that reflects the dreams of our ancestors and the aspirations of every citizen. Happy Independence, Jamaica. May God bless you, and may God bless the land we love.